Hello guys, welcome to our channel. This is our second video, which is we can learn about repetitions and looping statements in C language. Repetitions and looping statements in C language. Introduction to Introduction to looping. Looping allows execution a block of code multi times. It reduces the code repetition and improves the efficiency. Loops repeat until a specific condition becomes false. Common looping statements in C: for loop, while loop, do while loop. Now, for loop. Use it when the number of iterations is known. Syntax: for initialization, condition, increment and decrement functions. And use the statement and open parenthesis and close the parenthesis. And example: for int I is equals to 1, I is less than or equals to 5, I is plus plus, and open parenthesis, printf percentage d I close semicolon, and now close the parenthesis. This is our for loop. Now while loop. Use it when the number of iterations is not known in advance. Condition is checked for before the execution the loop body. Syntax: while condition, open parenthesis and give the statement and close the parenthesis. Example: int I is equals to 1, while I is less than or equals to 5, and open parenthesis, printf percentage d I and close I plus plus and close the parenthesis. This is our while loop. Now do while loop. Similar to while, but condition is checked after the execution the loop body. Executes at least once even if the condition is false. Syntax: do open parenthesis and give the condition and close the parenthesis, then give the while condition. For example, while condition. Now nested if. A loop inside another loop means first you give one loop and in that only we can give another loop. That's like the nested loops are useful, commonly used in matrix operations and pattern printing. For example, for int I is equals to 1, I is less than or equals to 3, I is plus plus, and we can use another loop. That's why it is called next loop. Then you can use another I is equals to int j is equals to 1 and j is equals to 3 and I is equals to 3, and open parenthesis, printf percentage d and ij, and close open parenthesis and open the parenthesis, close the parenthesis. And next, infinite loop, a loop that never ends because the condition always remains true. Using in system the required continuous operators. Example: while 1, open the parenthesis and printf running and close the parenthesis. Loop control the statements. Use it to change the normal sequence of the loop execution, like break, continue, and go to. In break, exits the loop immediately. Continue skips the remaining statements of the current iteration. Go to jumps to a labeled statement not recommended for the structure code. Now comparison of loops. For while, do while. For use it when number of iterations is known. While use it when the condition based looping is needed. Do while ensure at least one execution of the loop body. And now the summary which we can learn from this video is: looping is essential for repeated repetitive tasks in C language. Loops save time and make programs efficiencies, means easily. Three main loops are there: for, while, and do while. Use loop control statements for flexible control. Thank you for watching this video.